Hi YouTube, I'm gonna make donburi today. I don't know where donburi is from. I probably should Google that because I have no idea where that is from. I did knew, but I forgot. Donburi, Japanese. It's Japanese. That's what I'm gonna cook today. Okay, first things first, the rice is cooking right now. This is what I did with the rice. So this is the rice recipe. 1.5 cups of water. You put it in the little cooking thing, and then 1 full cup of rice. And then you just cook them with low heat, and then you just wait. That is just the rice. Let's just play a little bit of the music that I always play when I'm here, which is like Spanish music. I mean, it's music in Spanish, not necessarily from Spain. Yes, everybody, this is the music that I used to sing in the choir. And now it's in my heart forever, even though they kicked me. Yeah, I got kicked from the big choir. They divorced me from the choir, but I love divorce, so it's fine. I'm gonna bring the chicken and the vegetables. And I'll be back in like 1 minute with all my vegetables so we can start cutting. I don't know how to cut anything. I am a big noob of that. So here's the knifey. To do it at home. Then we have a plate. Heal me. Okay, I'm gonna scream. If I point the knife to the screen, to the camera, I'm gonna get banned. You never know with Twitch. So, and then this, I'm gonna put the vegetables here and cut them off the table. What do you mean off the table? I didn't put anything on the table. Cutting board. I don't have that. It's cutting like this too, celery body. Oh my god. Why? What will happen if I don't use it? What's gonna happen? Nothing's gonna happen. If either you are cutting stuff on the plate and I'm cutting on the board. Yeah, but I mean, I'm cutting it, no? The point is to cut. You're supposed to cut it. That's it. I cut it, it's cut, it's done. Okay? The small tree. I've always liked the small trees. It's crazy, right? How do they like this? Like, what are this? Broccoli is weird. More than the carrot. The carrot was already dead. I'm just giving it use. Oh, my muscle? Oh, my muscle. Oh, shh. My mom's gonna hear me. She's gonna listen to me showing my muscles. She's gonna think I'm selling my body on the internet. Now the chicken. Can I use the same one? I can't use the same one, no? Oh my god, I almost fell. The way you're holding the knife? Okay. I'm gonna bring the chicken now. Oh yeah, where are you gonna cut the chicken? Don't worry about it. Okay, so now I think I have to add the oil. Oil is aceite de oliva. I don't know how much. As long as it doesn't burn. Salt and pepper. Seasoning chicken with paprika, onion, garlic powder. The onion. I need onion. I'm gonna get the chicken and we're going to put it in here. And just mix it. How do you cut celery? I mean, what's going on? Yeah, perfect. Big brain time. Amazing. Okay, so celery is done. I think I'm only gonna add this. I don't think it needs more celery. I think it's good like this. Chill. Anyway, so I think the chicken is white now. Oh, I feel so professional now. I don't know why. Like, I was feeling super anxious, and now I'm like, whatever, forever. Will you mash the food with your feet next? Yeah, I'm gonna step on the food now. I don't like Nestea because this is fake. I don't like any type of fake sugar things. I don't like juice. I don't like soda pop. Nada. It's time for me to eat. It is the time of the time. The rice is a little hard. I want it to look like Instagram. It's just not happening. That is why social media is so damaging for you guys. Because things are not just like that, okay? I probably should have eaten this one because I'm a messy eater. Oh my god. So I'm gonna give this one to my mom because when I eat in those like big plates, everything just goes everywhere. Like, I'm like trying to get something that's just like far away. I'm like, stop with that. I haven't even tried it and I'm already like, yeah, it's delicious. Food looks good. It does. I'm gonna show you. Oh. It's vegetables with rice underneath. So are you going to make me food every day? Squeeze me? I ain't gonna make food for no man. I'm too hot to be in the kitchen. What does mom say about taste? Ma, ¿te gustó? She says sí. I said, Mom, you like this? She says sí. That's yes. Go check if she's eating or just being nice. She is, tell her, but she is eating it. She is. I can hear the... Ah! Okay, enough. My parents are here. When the cat danced, he probably got my food all full of fur. But it's fine because I'm a furry, so... My food is delicious. Oh my god, I'm an adult. Thank you so much, guys, for today, and thank you so much for helping me reach 200 subs. We even get more than that. Thank you to all the gifters. I'm leaving now, but thank you so much.
Alright, alright, alright.